What's up guys, it's Stanley here, back with another video, and since it's been a pretty huge year for the PC building space, we can finally get GPUs, I wanted to do a simple commentary ranking my top 5 cases of 2022. These cases will be great for any builds that you're planning for the first half of 2023. Before we get into the cases though, I just wanted to apologize for not posting over the past few months. I had videos planned, but none of them really worked out the way I wanted them to, so I decided to scrap them and not post them. Anyway, it's a new year, so hopefully we will see some new things from this channel. Now that's out of the way, let's get straight into my top 5 cases as we enter 2023. In the number 5 spot, I really didn't know what to put, so I'm just going to put mesh cases. 2022, we had a lot of great cases to choose from, and I didn't really know what to put in my number 5 spot, so here are my favorites, or some of my favorites. We have the Corsair 4000D Airflow, the Lee & Lee 216, the Fractal Pop, and the Fantex G360A. All 4 of these cases have good airflow, they look aesthetically nice, and there really isn't anything that bad I have to say about these cases. Many of the case trends for 2022 involved pretty basic airflow type designs, like with mesh front panels, and you can't really go wrong with a case like this. So yeah, just any mesh case in general. In number 4, I would have to go for the Lee & Lee A4H2O. As an owner of an ITX PC myself, I had to put the A4H2O in the number 4 spot. I've really enjoyed putting together ITX PCs, but the one thing that bothered me with this form factor is that most cases are insanely expensive. That's why I was happy when I found out that some bigger companies were entering the ITX realm with more budget-oriented cases. So here we have the A4H2O, which competes with cases like the Low Ghost and the Formd T1, and even fits triple slot graphics cards as an 11-liter case. If I build another ITX PC, this is currently the case that I would definitely go for myself. And if you want a more in-depth video about this case and building in it, I highly recommend Optimum Tech's video in this case. I'll link it down below. I do have some honorable mentions for other ITX cases. I know smaller companies like Loke, Formd, Thorzone, they make some really nice ITX cases. But for the more budget-oriented consumer, I would highly recommend the NR200 and the Fractal Ridge. The NR200 is kind of a larger case that comes in at nearly 20 liters in size, but it's very good in price for an ITX case. The Fractal Ridge, on the other hand, competes with a lot of these compact designs by coming in at nearly 11 liters in size. It's a more console-shaped case, but as an owner of a Fractal Node 202, I think the Fractal Ridge is a big step up from the previous generation. You're getting 2 case fans included, and a PCIe Gen 4 slot for only $130, I believe. It's a really good deal. In my number 3 spot, we have the H5/H510 Flow case from NZXT. So I've always loved the minimalist look of NZXT cases, but they all had one problem. The airflow was absolute trash. However, now that NZXT has finally entered the airflow game with its series of flow cases, you can finally enjoy the minimalist set aesthetic without choking your PC parts. Also, the H5 and H510 tend to be cheaper than a lot of other cases on this list, so if you're looking for a nice, more budget-friendly option that still looks amazing, pick up the H5 or H510 Flow. In number 2, I would definitely say is the Hyte Y60. Now this case caught me by surprise. Instead of just copying the design of the 011 Dynamic like a lot of our companies, here come the people at Hyte with something fresh. This case walks the line between unique and familiar perfectly, and it gives you the similar feel and look of an 011, but at the same time looks just a lot more epic. You know, it kind of reminds me of a high-end fish tank. Anyway, custom water cooling is also very doable in this case. And if you're looking for a case that will display your PC components in a beautiful manner, look no further than the Hyte Y60. And for number 1, the best case as we're entering 2023, I would definitely say is the Fractal North. This is a new case released a few weeks ago, and now I'm gonna say it, I'm a big fan of wood. People at Fractal have released a few bangers this year. A lot of them are in this video, but I think this one takes the cake. The wood accents at the front make your PC look a lot more mature. I don't see any other companies going with designs like this, but with its mix of functionality and aesthetics, you can really build a PC that fits basically anywhere. And the wood at the front doesn't hinder cooling, and I hope the case market trends in this direction of creativity. Anyway, that's the video, everyone. Hope you all enjoyed my top 5 cases as we enter 2023. And if you liked the video, please smash the like button. And if you have some video ideas that you like to give, please put them in the comment below. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.